I love it. You cut it to pieces. There's no more to cut.
Welcome to Paul's Toolbox. Today I'm going to tackle a 20-foot limb that broke off from my mom's tree. And I'm going to use my little Jawsaw right here. This is a 20-volt cordless saw that can tackle all kind of jobs. And believe me, this will save you so much time, and it's so safe, anybody can use it. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can possibly win one. This is going to be a little too stout to cut, but I will cut it here and here, and I'll throw this in the trash can. No big deal. I can always use my big saw to cut that. But this is pretty stout right here. I'll cut this, and this whole thing down in minutes. Let's get it. I'm gonna cut this big one right here first. See how the jaws can fit in there? Now I'm just gonna pull my trigger and push it down. There you go. We'll take this one, same thing. It picks it up. And we'll go down the line. I can take this, shove it down in there, even against the rim, and cut. The only piece left is right here. Now that's done. This is an incredible saw, guys, but it is not made to cut large branches up high, vertically, or even horizontally if they're too big. It is made to pick things off the ground and to safely cut things. But a small branch, 2 inches or so, you can cut it right off a tree easily. Works has some pole saws that really work well, and the American builder, Brian Gurry, demonstrates that on one of his videos. I'm gonna hit this real quick, put some glasses on. And I can grab this baby. All right. This is by far the safest chainsaw I have ever used. Now, it comes with 2 2-amp-hour batteries. I'm giving one of these away with 2 batteries and a charger. I highly recommend buying an additional 4-amp-hour battery with a 30-minute charger because it's a quick charger and it works real well. This has an indicating light on here, tells you exactly how much power you have. That's the only bad thing about the other smaller batteries. They don't have that. I'm gonna introduce you to the best mother-in-law in the world. This is Granny. Tell us how old you are, Granny.
I'm 82 years old.
And she's gonna cut this real quick with the Jawsaw. Now, when you take this, you're gonna push this button and you're just gonna drop it on a log, push it down.
Gotcha.
Go for it, Granny. Do another one.
That's unbelievable. Oh. I love it.
Awesome.
That's super, and it's light.
Yeah, check that out.
Oh,
What do you think of this, Granny?
I love it.
All right.
Fabulous. Let me cut one more.
All right. I'll never get it away from her now.
I did it. You cut it to pieces. There's no more to cut.
Well, works. I think you're gonna have to give my mother-in-law one of these.
I would love one.
Awesome.
That's great, Paul.
We'd really like to get some feedback. So if you don't mind, we want to know which saw you like the most, the Jawsaw or the pole saw on the American Builders channel. Check them both out, drop a comment. If you drop a comment, Jawsaw, you're entered. If you drop a comment, pole saw, you're still entered. But on my channel, you will win a Jawsaw. On Brian Gurry's channel, you will win a pole saw. We're gonna choose one person from the first 100 people that comment on my channel and one from the first 100 people that comment on his channel. So You got 2 chances to win. I'll see you guys later. If you don't mind, hit like for me. And of course, don't forget to subscribe.